Is your fan hat not enough? Do you find yourself standing in front of the fan all the time? Is your air conditioner in an inconvenient spot? Then do I have the product for you? Hey guys, it's Panda Man, and today we're going to be making an air conditioner. So, we've got our box, and we've got our pool noodle. So we're going to have ice in this box, and a fan in the side blowing in, and then this will come out of it like that, making cold air come out. Okay, so right now he's working on injuring himself, and I'm putting a plastic bag in this box so that the ice stays in there and doesn't leak through the box when it melts. So I got a mark all around the thing so I can cut it. Okay, so he has this, which is unbent for some reason. Let the viewers see it. Yeah, that needs to be bent more. And this is all duct taped in, and it closes fine. It's hard to do with one hand. Yeah. So next, we're gonna start cutting holes in this. So we're gonna be back. Okay, progress update. We have the holes cut in it, and it does.
It doesn't
fit.
work.
Everything fits.
The fan doesn't. No, it doesn't. It doesn't spin.
So it was caught on something. So now we're gonna put some. Yes, it was. It's because I turned it off. We're gonna put some tassels on it and see if it comes out as air. Okay, so we got the tassels on. Let's turn it on. And yep, it's blowing out. So there's definitely air coming. So next, we're gonna start making this more permanent and putting ice in it to see if it actually makes it colder. This man right here is putting ice in it. This man right here has put ice in it. This man right here is working very hard. You can see the determination in his face. Oh. This man has failed at putting ice into the air conditioner. There's one more, you can do it. Okay. Now we put the fan on it. Okay, it's going. It's definitely colder than before. Okay. So I think it's working. So next we gotta put some decor on it with duct tape. Yeah. After chocolate. I guess you could say he's pretty sharp.
Deep within USSR, there is
Nigeria.
vodka.
Okay, so now we got it all duct taped up for looks and stuff. Everything looks nice. We gotta get some branding and stuff later, so there'll be a quick little pan around it to see what it looks like. But that's basically finished, so it's blowing out cool air. And so right now, here's the pan video. Pew! And that's the end of this video. Like it if you liked it, subscribe for more, and see ya.